रेव्हेन्यू. सभापती महाशय, आमच्या पूर्वजांनी आमच्या खातीर सुपीक भात शेती आणि खाजन शेती जमनीचे दायज राखून दवरलां. हे दायज सांबाळपाक ही आमची जबाबदारी जावन आसा आणि त्याच भावनेन म्हज्या सरकारान शेत जमनीच्या विक्रीचेर निर्बंध घालपी कायदो मंत्रिमंडळाच्या बसकेत पारीत केला. Speaker sir, I proposed to notify new land rate as per the market scenario along with the rates for the built-up properties to be used as a ready reckoner for the purpose of the calculation of the stamp duty and registration fees. Speaker sir, my government is in a process of implementing new initiatives such as provision of issuance of the caste certificate for the children of single mother, issuance of the divergence certificate for deceased, etc. Along with the simplifying online renewal process of issuing caste certificate for OBC by limiting up to the 3 documents, thereby benefiting the citizen applying for the such services at large. Speaker sir, my government has published the Goa E-Stamp Rules 2022, and under these rules I proposed to make e-stamping mandatory for all the transaction above the rupees 9,999 involving the non-judicially stamped paper. Speaker sir, I propose the strictly implementation time-bound delivery of services pertaining to the application of the conversion of the use of land by suitable amending the conversion rule to mandate the reports from the various departments within a fixed time limit.